The bridge is under repair, buddy, and it's due to take a long time. Yeah, more bridge maintenance is underway. The boss reckons it'll be under maintenance the next time you come by, too. We like to take our time, see? The bridge is closed. Why would you ever want to leave Manhattan anyway? I mean, trust me, there ain't much going on beyond this bridge. Buddy, you ain't crossing. The bridge ain't open. How many times do I have to tell you? You don't really want to get past here, do you? I mean, officially the bridge is under repair, but I'll let you in on a little secret. There's nothing